It is very easy to care for air plants. The particular variety that I have is Tillandsia Ionantha, and I often spritz it with water every 2 days. But the most appropriate way of hydrating your air plants is to fill a bowl with filtered water, not water directly from the tap, filtered water, and then submerging your Tillandsia or air plant of any variety into that water for a minimum of an hour to a maximum of overnight. You can see this tiny pup has developed at the base of the plant, and this shows that this plant is quite healthy. And this is how you too can submerge your air plant in water so that the air plant absorbs the required quantity of moisture it needs. And this is indeed a next generation plant which can thrive really well without any kind of potting medium. So you see, when I hang my air plant upside down like this on the net which is attached to my window, it thrives really well. And when I will zoom in, you will see how well the pups or small air plants have already started growing at the base of this particular air plant. It's good if you keep the air plant hanging like this upside down so that any extra moisture can trickle down of it, and you can store your air plants for longer. You can spritz this again after 2 days and continue the procedure, but once in a week, especially during very, very hot weather, it is required that you submerge your air plant in water just like the way I showed you. So here's the close-up now. You can see how well the pup has developed, and I hope and pray that my air plant really thrives, and before long these pups grow big.
If I had 1,000 tongues